I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and switching to Calendar. This puts you where changes actually happen. Once in Calendar, pick day or week to see precise times so you can place or find the event. Click an empty slot to create or double-click an existing event to edit details. Make sure to check which calendar is active if you manage multiple calendars, because edits go to the selected one. This avoids accidental changes to shared or secondary calendars. Now you modify the event fields, update the title, adjust start and end times, and set the correct time zone so everyone sees the right slot. If the meeting repeats, open recurrence and choose the pattern, then add exceptions for holidays. Add attendees and choose whether they are optional. This controls responses. Attach an agenda or link for context and set the sensitivity if needed. Once done, review participant list and notification settings so everyone finish by saving your edits. You save for personal events or send update to notify attendees. This triggers calendar invites so people receive changes. Then verify the updated entry appears correctly in your calendar view and monitor responses to confirm attendance. If the change doesn't appear or notifications fail, check calendar permissions, ensure the resource room is available, and confirm Outlook sync with the server. If issues persist, restart the app and resend the update to force synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.